Is it going? Okay. Welcome. We are looking now at a different word. There is, there are. Because we have learnt I, you, he, she, it, we and they. You know, it is a cloth, they are pens. But sometimes we need to look at a picture and describe it, or look outside the windows and describe. And for that we use there is or there are. So when we were looking at this picture, we could say, oh yes, there is a cafe here, there is a cafe. Or when we look at this picture and we want to say something plural, we could say there are two children, or there are some children, if we don't want to name the number. Like here, we could just say, yes, there are some pencils. We don't know how many, just some. Or we can count them. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or just say, there are some pencils. Some is a good general word when we don't want to say a number. Some is a good word. Some. Of course, when there are lots of pencils, lots and lots, we can use this word. So let's have a look at all of these different things. Outside, there is a silver car. I can see it. I like this word. English people like it. We can also say there is one silver car. This is okay as well. But English people don't say, oh, there is one silver car. No, they say there is a silver, because it's easy. Is easy. There is a silver car. But one is okay at the elementary level. Then we have some. You know, some. Don't know how many. Some. I like this one. There are some chairs here. 1, 2, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, I don't know. Some, a few. But then, if there are a lot of things, we could say, there are a lot of trees. We were looking outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know, 100, loads, a lot of. And these are the common ones. There are a lot of trees, or there are lots of trees. There are a lot of different ways of saying this, but these are the easy ones. And then, if there aren't any, 0, we say there aren't any dogs, for example. Remember, if it is a countable noun, we need to use the negative with plural. There aren't any dogs. So negative plural for countable nouns. But for uncountable nouns, like tea is uncountable, we say there isn't any tea here. Or for countable nouns, we can also say there isn't a cat here. But I prefer there aren't any cats here. This one is my favourite. This one's okay. So lots of different ways of saying positives and negatives. For one, some for a few. I like this as well. A few. 2, 3, 5, 7. Or a lot or lots for more, 100, 50, a lot. And negatives, there aren't any, is my favourite, with countable nouns, or there isn't any, T for uncountable nouns. And then we can ask the question. Is there or are there yes, no questions? Is there a dog? Is there a dog here? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Just like before, turning around. Is there? Yes, there is. Is there? No, there isn't. Or plural. Are there any plants here? Yes, there are. Are there any? Yes, there are. Are there any? No, there are not. Or no, there aren't. And for uncountable nouns, we have to ask in the singular. Uncountable, singular. Is there any milk? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. So we will work on this now.